Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to start your Steam games in windowed or full screen mode. First, make sure you're logged in to your Steam account. Once you're on your dashboard, go to your library. On the left-hand side, find the game you want to change, for example, Crab Game. Right-click on it, then click on Properties. Under the General tab, scroll down until you see the box labeled Launch Options. Now, inside that box, type in -window to make your game open in windowed mode. If you prefer full screen, replace it with -full screen. Once you've added your choice, simply close the Properties window. Steam automatically saves it. Now click Play, and your game will launch exactly how you set it. Second option, in-game settings. After your game launches, go to the main menu and click on Settings. Next, click on the Video tab. Here, you'll find an option called Display Mode. Use the arrows to switch between full screen, windowed, or borderless windowed. Once you've picked your preferred mode, click Apply, or back out the game saves automatically. And if you ever want to switch quickly, just press Alt plus Enter. That instantly toggles between full screen and windowed mode. That's it. You now know how to start any Steam game in windowed or full screen mode using both methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Steam tutorials.